Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. So we have here the new H-King Viper64. Why 64? Because it has a 64mm EDF fan and it runs on 6S 2200s. So this is kind of good if you want to put two 3S 2200s together. You just have to modify the plugs or create a serial, or buy a serial harness to create a 6S 2200 pack if you go that route. This is very, very easy to put together, mostly screws together other than the wingtips, which you have to put on with something like Yoo-Hoo Paul or something like that. So who would buy something like this? I think this is absolutely perfect if you want to try EDF jet flying for the first time. It doesn't get any better than this really. This has flaps and it comes with fixed landing gear, which I've chosen not to attach. We generally get a good bit of wind here, so easy hand launching. Trev's on camera, Flying Fin RC, and you guys have flown this already, Trev, haven't you?
Yeah,
enjoying
we were lucky enough to sort of demo it in Germany.
You were at Pro Wing recently, so you got your hands on a very, very early one.
Yeah, we love it, it's great.
Does everything. I was watching Finn fly it, 12 years old, and he's flying like a turbine jet pilot of many years experience, but does fly really, really well. And for someone like me who flies turbine jets regularly, this is a great warm-up jet, because I don't, when I arrive in the morning at the flying field, 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm setting up and I haven't had a cup of coffee, this is the type of thing I want to fly first to get my brain in the zone, before I fly an expensive turbine jet. And because this does everything that one of those jets will do, but just on a smaller scale. And quite a bit cheaper, I would hasten to add as well. Right, so quick look inside. You will see I'm using a Radiomaster ELRS receiver, an ER8. It doesn't need 8 channels, but that's what I tend to buy as standard. I'm using the TX16S Mark II, the transparent version, which has some funky lights, if you like that type of thing. It comes in different colours, and you see here that I'm using two Hobby King 3S packs, and I'm going to serial them together. So this lead from the speed controller comes with one plug, and all you have to do is get another female XT60 plug and a little bit of wire, and you can make your serial harness like that straight away. Easily done. Alright, so let's connect it all up. Let's get it in the air. Here we go then. Ready? Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Wow, easy hand launch.
Practice.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So just going to trim it out. There, we're good. Always trim out for level flight. That was really quick to do. All right, what can this thing do? Speed, fast pass into wind. Still climbing. Again, modified the trim. Nice. Up, pulling over. Four-point roll.
There you go, the shy pilot's coming out now.
Not too low. place. Knife edge. All day long.
Yeah.
Other way. That is too much fun, that is. Inverted. Damn. Oh, I was distracted by a seagull out the corner of my eye.
Started flying the seagull instead.
Climb out, inverted.
You're having way too much fun now.
All right, half flap.
I don't think you got flaps on, have you?
Not a lot. Crikey, it does everything, doesn't it? Right, okay, so landing into wind. Got to be careful of the flaps, don't want to damage the servos. That's the only disadvantage of not having the landing gear. But I'm half flap. Fantastic. You know a jet's good when you can do those types of moves on a maiden flight. I wasn't super low, but after I trimmed it out, so 4-point rolls, easy, knife edge both ways, easy, slow rolls, easy. I even did something I've never done before, which was more or less a knife edge circuit, swapping from different knife edge to knife edge. So absolutely brilliant, and that combined with flaps. So if you want to learn how to fly a jet, with the exception of not having retracts, it's got everything that you need to learn how to do fast aerobatic jet flying. So look it up, the link is in the video description and a pinned comment. Thanks for watching, thanks to Trevor on camera, back soon, bye. Cheers Trev.